Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asif Kareem and you're watching Asif Kareem Views. Today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel category in your Android set and in your Android browser. So first of all you need to open your YouTube channel in Chrome browser or Opera Mini in a desktop mode. So I just already open it. So go to your YouTube studio. So before we are going to start the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now your YouTube studio is open, then go to your setting. Now this kind of a interface is appear. General, channel, upload default, permission and community. We just simply press on upload default. Now there is two options, basic info and advanced setting. We just select on advanced setting. Now there is the option of category, so we just press on category. Now there is several options there: film, animations, autos, music, pets, sports, travels, gaming, people and blogging, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, how to style, education, science and technology, non-profits. So you just select one of category by default. When you upload your videos, these categories appear on your videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.